Pirates of the Caribbean style.
People always leave, or do they? And why? In times like these, or what am I saying, no one in our generation has ever experienced a time like this.
You can't really be on land, just keep it low key.
But either way, when things are like this, leaving are not even an option for most. The one thing that always saved me in times of stress, in times of discomfort or unhappiness, is gone. For most. And it's indefinitely. To feel like you can't escape or run away is one of the most uncomfortable feelings of all. And now we all face it. Even for us, being kind of able to physically move, we still can't escape. Because what's waiting on the other end won't be a solution.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
So don't ever think that everyone who leaves wants to.
Good morning. We are getting ready to leave Blackie. Leave home for the past month or so. It's early in the morning. Got up at 6. About to head to Staniel Cay. And is tired getting the dinghy ready.
What?
Did you take my top this morning?
No. Just want to go sailing.
Nice. Well, it is a so-and-so morning. I think we'll have decent wind in the beginning. Try to get through the cut. Have about 45 miles.
Set out on a narrow way years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road. I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. Couldn't see how every side pointed straight to you. Every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me up my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Think about the years I spent just passing through. I'd like to have the time I lost and give it straight to you. You just smile and take my hand. You've been there, you understand. It's all part of a grander plan that is coming true. Every long lost street led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you.
let go. Bless the broken road. Now let me straight to you. Let go. Bless the broken road.
Come dolphin, come dolphin.
Let me straight to you.
Where's the harmonica?
We are going in just north off of Black Point. It's a little bit of current. The wind is pretty much at our nose. There's rocks on either side. Pretty impressive rock formations, actually.
Yeah, guys, so everything is pretty good. It sucks you right in. Just try to stay as high as you can. It'll be fine to start hugging that as close as you can. It does seem like the current is outgoing here. So it seemed like it was sucking here. If I was you guys, I'd probably try to get as much sand as you can. That's probably better. You can see the water. It's kind of, I think we're through. Right here, we're back up to 3 knots. So we're back up. I would just plug that north side bank and then you should be fine all the way through there. We're doing great. We're on the ghost boat.
It's always fun when you listen to other people's conversations about you on the radio.
Yeah. What are these guys doing? Are they sailors? Yeah,
It's a lot of weirdness going on.
it's a lot of weirdness. These guys are actually sailing in 6 knots of wind.
This cut is a little sketchy because you do drop down to like 1 to 2 knots, 0.5 knots.
Are you back up again? It was like one section that took like just a second, and then it should break free and let you go.
Oh, we gained like 5 knots of wind just coming through. It's just at that point.
I guess my love is for the ocean, not for you. No, not for you.
We made it to Black Point. Sailed in, anchored pretty close to Lorraine, which had emailed previously about maybe getting water. We dinged over. This whole island is a little laid back, which is kind of a nice change. Not that they shouldn't be careful, but the other thing was we went to the window. They had beer. Asked very carefully, like almost whispered if I could buy a beer. She's like, yeah, sure, how many? I'm very excited, but Corey and Alex are way out there. They had some problems coming in because the wind started dying and they didn't have enough speed to go upwind. They're probably hip-toeing their boat around, and they're actually moving now. I see Cody went out to help them. The other thing that happened is that I think my Wi-Fi box is dead, which is kind of a bummer. Not being able to really call home or anything. It's been working and like everywhere. It worked until last night. I still have phone service, but it's very expensive. Well, stay tuned. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
awesome.
You know that Black Point is also heaven.
We barely had
I'm
enough
like,
to
I
go
asked
through.
Cody, I was like, what is the wind like? He's like 12. I'm
Oh,
like,
man,
it feels
that-
like 50.
That was
No, like it felt like max 7, 6
wow.
knots for us.
It
Which
was
was
so
like,
bad
there
over
was
there.
so much current, like that was barely enough to get us.
You should-
Heart attacks?
I should send. I'm gonna send you a picture
Yeah,
of what
of
we
the tacking.
did. It was
Oh.
ridiculous.
And it was terrible angle, we were losing ground.
Thank you guys. It is really nice though to finally be in a spot where people are interacting. I think these people
Yes.
I need you to.
It's Operation Filling Water.
Yes, and I need you on the deck to hold the live wires.
Alright. So our pump is actually not working, so we're jerry rigging, connecting to our bow thruster battery, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just make sure these don't touch, and that's your only goal. Hold that there. That's what that works.
Imagine a perfect day.
He's like, yeah, man, you can't really be on land, but just keep it low key.
I was like, okay, well, just tell me next time. I was like, I'll be low key, but like,
He's like, you can be on land, but like they don't stop you going there because he's got water.
Oh, okay. Anyways, you got burgers?
we got burgers. We got beer.
So
I got another
excited.
6-pack. I don't know how much you want to bring right now. Couple dollars for all the water. Last time we went to shore was before everything got wild. So now we have too much Bahamian money, and I think we're gonna leave the country. I don't know, but it's really mixed. Like the locals are acting like everything's cool. They're making jokes about being 6 foot apart and not to get the virus, or that they have the virus, or like they're just
might
making
be-
jokes in front of it. And then they're drinking and everything at this place and acting like everything's all cool. But then our buddies on Wildly Intrepid here, I guess got stopped by the police and told them that they could be deported for being out and about in town. So we're
On a
kinda really
non-lockdown day.
confused on
So-
rules right now.
How's it going?
Good. Seriously, have like umbrellas. They know
That's
how
so
excited
cute.
we were.
Pepperoni. Wow, that is really big. Especially with all the fries that comes with it.
Yum.
Thoughts?
Super hot.
Yeah, it actually looks really big when you hold it right there.
Like the size of my face.
Oh man,
So good. So good.
the little things in life.
We are currently maybe half an hour past lockdown curfew. Pirates of the Caribbean style.
We're all realizing it's time to go due to all the circumstances around COVID. And so I want to say thank you for watching this episode, and click the notification bell, the subscribe button if you want to keep up with us, and leave a comment below. That always makes us happy. And see you next time for the big adventure back to the States. Bye!